Hello guys, so in this video we will be learning how we can use Turtle. So Turtle is a basic Python module where if we head into a new notebook that we learned in the last videos, not this one, let me just delete that. So we're gonna import Turtle. So what that little code does is it imports the Turtle module, and in this video we won't be getting a chance to make a project of Turtle, but I'll teach you the fundamentals of what Turtle is and how you can use it in the next video that I will be posting on my channel. I will be teaching how we can build a basic game, how we can use it to draw us information that we need, and how we can do that stuff. So that's what we are gonna do in this video, so please hang on tight. So if you're using Anaconda, which I teach you guys how we can use in the last video, you guys should be knowing how you can use Turtle, because Turtle, so there's something called pipe, and pipe modules are basically the instructors of what basically a code does. So basically, if you go out and just import Turtle in, I don't know, like PyCharm and all that stuff, you wouldn't get the same results as you do in Jupyter, because you need to have the pipe module, like pipe install like this. Oops. Pipe install Turtle. So you have to write that in the terminal or where everything gets printed. If you don't do that, Turtle module wouldn't work. And the best way to figure out where you can use a Turtle module is PyPy. So this is a little website which allows you to use pipe. Like, for example, if I want to import Turtle, you do this, you can see like Turtle, and you need to have you need to know what you want to import. For example, if you're making a project that requires fast but basic turtles, Turtle 100 would work. If you want like an abstract art, usually for the backend is abstract Turtle. You have all these turtles that you can use from, but the basicest way to use them is basically to search them online. Like, for example, if I want to import Turtle, right, and then you can write all that. So if you want to import Turtle and you're not in Jupyter Python or any, there's just Jupyter Python that is the best one. Basically, what Jupyter Python is the pipe. Besides you having to like write it and do it, it's already built in to the project or the app, so that when you use it, it is there, or it's simple to be. You just have to import it. So what I mean about import is just import it into your project, because Jupyter is gonna take a long time if you have all those imports into a project, and it'll take a lot of storage and later on slow your computer down, because each time you're running a Python project, it's using the GPU, or the graphics user interface. The GPU, the graphics processor unit. And the more you use it, the more slower your GPU gets, depending on which computer you use. If you use a Windows, Lenovo, like Lenovo's matters on what laptop you choose. If you have Mac, well, Mac is gonna be the one that lasts a bit longer than everyone. So if you this works for everything. It's just not the Turtle that's already built in. Like you have, I don't know, everything is built in into Jupyter. But if you use PyCharm, for example, you want to make a Turtle project and you just switched from Jupyter to PyCharm, you will try to import it, but you can't because you have to install it. So basically what pipe installs the package or the library of the project, which is Turtle and anything else, and then we have, what do you call it, what can I say, like import. You have the package on, like the package is in your program, but the package is not in your code. If you want to bring the package into your code or use the package, you have to use the import module. Import Turtle. So since Jupyter has Turtle, it has no problem of using. It has no problem. So basically, if I do turtle.pen, and if I did this in PyCharm or any other app or coding IDE, it wouldn't recognize Turtle because you have to insert it into your pipe. And if you don't insert it into your pipe, then the package is not going to be there. Imagine asking for an apple in a basket that only has bananas. If you get the apple from the tree and you put it into your basket, then you can import it into your body, right? That's how it works. So in the next video, we will be learning some basic codes of Turtle and how we can use them. And another thing is that if there is only just one thing missing from Jupyter that every other app has, and it's a loop. Basically, in bigger projects that we make, loop will come in very effective ways. For example, if I want to make my turtles so if you don't have a loop in your project, the project won't stay alive. Imagine after you have one apple in the basket full of bananas and you import it into your body, then you have to repeat the same process of grabbing the apple, putting it into the basket, and then eating it, right? But if you don't have that loop of grabbing the apple and putting it into the basket, then it won't work. So the project would just fall out of hands and the project would just evaporate. So if you want in Turtle, if you want to keep a loop without using the for function, I recommend using turtle.main loop. And the basic understanding of main loop is literally in the name, main loop. So it's the main loop of the Turtle program. And of course, if you want to make the Turtle program, and if you want to make it with for, if, while, all of these will work. But the simplest one is turtle.main loop, because it's just only one line of code and it gets into your mind much easier than having to write a code like for I in range, like, I don't know, like 10, like repeat the project. That will take a long time. But if you're using main loop is just much easier and much basic for beginners and users that don't really want to waste most of your time just writing a code that can be written in one singular line. So thank you for watching, and if you have anything that you want to say, or you have any questions, any ideas for later on videos, please comment down below, and see you next time. I also have 2 mentions from one of my best friends, Sam, which I will leave his link below in the description. He has a YouTube channel that he has been trying. It's been 2 years now that he's trying to get 50 subs. So you guys have helped me reach 30 subs. Very easy. Thank you. Go help him too if you guys need it. And thank you. See you next time. Be sure to be ready for the next video, because the next video is gonna be full of excitement. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.